Welcome to Quick Money Club, a place where we share simple ideas on how you can start making money online today. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because it inspires me to share more tips and tricks about earning money online. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos. After doing a lot of research, I came across a free tool that is going to do all the work for you. And legit, it is quite professional, which will help you make a handsome amount of money. Not just once, but you can keep making money multiple times through this website. As I already say, all of these websites are legit and trustworthy. You know I wouldn't recommend any website that won't profit you or help you with any cash. Just follow the steps and understand the process. To be precise, this tool or website is not on the list that can make you $150 a month or year. It will genuinely make you $150 a day. Yes, you got it right, $150 a day. Hence, by using this tool, you can surely make money again and again and have a reliable income every single day by using this tool. All you have to do is use this absolutely free tool and set it up with some clicks and make money with this additional website, which I will of course be sharing with you guys. Also guys, these systems and tools which I share with you guys take a lot of research and efforts to find, as there are a ton of fake websites that just waste your time and do no good. So I spend a lot of hours hunting for the best ones, so you don't have to waste your time around. So for that, make sure to like the video as I reveal to you the exact system and way to execute this. Hence, before we get to this tool, which will do all of our work for free, let us first get to the main page, which will pay you for sure. The tool name is Design Crowd. Yes, you heard it right, it's called Design Crowd. You have to start by visiting the website first, and then we will go with the flow step by step. Go and search for designcrowd.com on the web. Done? Alright. The web page will appear right in front of you. Well, you're not very far from sealing a good deal. This is a page called designcrowd.com, and you will get the perfect custom design every time, and it is the world's #1 custom design marketplace. Hence, I will show you the strategy and ways that will allow you to make big money consistently, that too online. Now, getting started with it. This is a place for entrepreneurs, business owners, or regular everyday people who come here to get different designs. Well, the regularities are fixed, and it can be some logos or some business logos or business cards, design flyers, card design, graphic design, or a t-shirt design, and many more. I bet this is so exciting and a legit hit. It offers you not a single option to choose from, but multiple, and I wonder, do any other websites even do that? If you know any, let me know in the comment section. To be precise, it's kind of like a freelancing website, but it's actually different in comparison to other websites. Let me tell you how and why. First of all, I want to show you guys some proof that it really works for everybody and everyday people, and it's actually possible to make or earn big amounts through this website. I mean, who doesn't enjoy online earned money? That too investing only less of your time. Well, if you don't, now you will. I guess that is the reason why you've landed on this channel. I've got you covered. So, firstly, if we go to the designers page and then go to example, logo designer, we can actually have a look that people and freelancers from many countries use this site. I mean, what other evidence do we need to trust this website? It is true and effective as well. Next, you can see that people from all around the world are making big money here. Makes sense? In fact, they are legit making the most out of it, and of course sealing the big deal. And guess what? You can be a part of that big money team soon. But for that, all you need is to watch this video until the end. You can indeed see that there is a lot of demand for graphic designers here on this website, but hold very little knowledge about this and don't seize the opportunity. So here we are helping ourselves and others out. Well, here on this website, even if you're a newbie or hold less knowledge about designs and stuff, no worries, you'll figure it out on your own sooner or later. I mean, I can just show you the path and the ways that will make you money, but the creative part is all up to you. You have to add all designs creatively and make them look attractive and worth the buy. Well, best of luck with that already. And as I said, there's a need for you to establish on-file competition. I mean, it is pretty low, but the potential and opportunities are pretty high, and it is the best part about it. You don't have to do all the work alone. If you stay with me till the end of the video, I will give you a free tool which will do all the work for that too, free of cost. You don't have to invest a single amount in it, or buy any subscription plans. It's easy, mate. First of all, come back again to designercrowd.com and click on the register button, and obviously, you have to register yourself. Once you land on the registration page, you will have to then enter your first name, your email ID, and create a unique password. Further, two options will appear for you. One, I'm customer, and the other, I'm designer. All you've got to do is choose between the I'm the customer and I'm designer. So click on I'm designer and then next click on continue. Wait, the process isn't over yet. On the next page you can create your username by adding your first name, then the last name, and then select your country. This is mandatory because the website will redirect you to the work depending on your location. For example, if you're a person or a user from the USA, the website will directly assign you the work from the clients residing in the USA. Well, this was just an example scenario. The work is being assigned to every applicant equally. I mean, this is what I've come to know so far. Now you can see that all countries are registered here, like all of these countries are accepted here, so it doesn't matter from where you belong. If you do follow all the steps properly, you will get close to seizing a great deal. Select your country and select the option how you're going to get paid, whether it is PayPal or Payoneer. If you want to get paid from PayPal, do click on PayPal, or if you want to get paid from Payoneer, so click on Payoneer. After that, click on Continue, and then you will pick to another page, and then the website will verify your email. On the next page, go on the Browse Jobs button and select Logos and Branding Jobs. That's exactly what we will be doing, and once again stay tuned till the end of the video for that too. When you select the page, you can have a look that there are more than 200 jobs for logo design and branding. So as per your convenience, go to that job and every day you will not run out of jobs and every day will get paid as well. It will give you the company name and guarantee that it's not a fake company. And we highly recommend you to go through all the jobs and work as per your convenience. It will take only some small clicks and you will get paid highly on a regular high basis. For doing a job, just copy the company's name and then go to Google search for Wix.com. It is a site that will do your job free of cost. Now go to Wix.com and now paste the company's name to create a button and then click on Start. After that, register your account through email or Facebook, and after that you are set to create your own logo. And after that, select and edit as per you and then submit your design, and there you go. You got paid well by doing some clicks. Wasn't that easy? It was as easy as having a piece of cake. And of course, it's not rocket science. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit like and subscribe to our channel, Quick Money Club. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. A thing for you to keep in mind is that these videos are made with complete honesty, and the information in these videos is best to my knowledge. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but these methods will help you earn a decent amount if you are dedicated to them. Follow the steps as mentioned and wish you good luck. Once again, thank you for watching this video.